we have with us All India Rank 2 in GATE DA 2026, score 1000. So we have Vijeth with us. Vijeth, first of all, congratulations and thank you for joining us in this session. So Vijeth was Go Classes GATE DA complete course student, and we are very happy and proud of him. We are very happy that he trusted Go Classes. So Vijeth, first briefly please introduce yourself about your academics background and this attempt. This is with job, I think.
No, I've actually quit my job in
Okay.
August last year.
Okay. So after quitting your job, you fully dedicated to GATE DA preparation.
Yeah, so I wrote both computer science and data science. I mean, I'm prepared for DA, but I also wrote CS. I got some 55 or 56 marks in CS.
Okay.
And yeah, DA was my main goal, so I prepared mainly for. Yeah, and my background, so I graduated from IIT Madras in 2019 actually. So very long back. Uh, yeah, I've been working as software engineer since then. My latest job was in Google. I worked there for around 1 year, and yeah, now I want to transition to academic research career. So that's why I took that step to quit that job and started preparing for GATE.
So you want to go for research in
Yes,
where IIT Bombay, IISc Bangalore.
my main goal is to get MTech research in IISc Bangalore.
So I can say you were interested in research. So you quit Google.
Yeah, that was a big step, but yeah, I did.
So this is really wonderful, Vijay, that you are following something that you are passionate about. Because most of the students, they go to IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay to get into Google. You are quitting Google to get into IISc Bangalore. So you have any plan to go for PhD after MTech research?
Yes, after MTech research, I want to do PhD in US or Europe.
So Vijay, one interesting question I want to ask you. You completed your BTech from IIT Madras
Yeah.
and you left your job from Google. Basically, you were in Google. Now, for a student like you, how Go classes was helpful? Was Go classes helpful in your preparation when you watched our lectures, courses? Then, what was your opinion about the lectures and courses?
Yes, sir. In a short answer, I wrote both CS and DA, and I for DA I prepared from Go classes. So you can see the difference, right? I got 1500 rank in CS and second in DA. So yeah, I mean, like depends on preparation time also, but I think Go classes also played a major role. So yeah, I think especially for machine learning and linear algebra, I think there is no other alternative. Sachin sir's explanation, and I mean, it was very deep. Like it's not touching surface level and giving formulas. Sir went into details in each chapter, and yeah, and also the practice problems. Everything was picked up from standard sources and top university courses. So yeah, I think that was very helpful. And even the test series, I wrote all I mean, even subject-wise tests and full-length tests. So yeah, that was also, I mean, it was very close to gate exam level, I feel. And it helped me, like the 1 month before the gate exam, I was just every day 2:30 to 5:30, I was taking one of the go class tests. Yeah, it helped very, very much.
So, Vijay, this is really wonderful, and we are very happy and proud that you trusted Go classes for GATE DA and you also loved our lectures. See, what made you join the Go classes GATE DA course? Like someone suggested you, or did you watch some free lectures? And what was your decision making like factor for choosing the Go classes GATE DA course?
So actually, my younger brother wrote gate exam the in 2025. So he was preparing and he mentioned that Go classes test series, like the questions are high quality, like there are no mistakes in the questions and and they require the conceptual thinking that's required for gate. So yeah, so I started with test series, and once I started writing those test series and watching some free YouTube videos, I thought, okay, I have to get the full course. So yeah, then I took the course.
Vijay, for notes, what did you do? Did you make your own notes, or did you follow the annotated notes or the toppers handwritten notes that we provide?
Yeah, I wanted to mention that also. I think there is a someone named Sajan from previous year.
Yes.
Yeah, his notes was there. I think that was very helpful for revision. So yeah, I mean, I think one question directly came from that. Like for exponential distribution, he wrote it's memoryless, and there's a direct question in gate exam on that. So yeah,
So just giving the context to the viewers. So Sajan got All India rank 1919 in GATE DA 2025. And Sajan was also Go Classes GATE DA complete course student. So we have uploaded his handwritten notes on the in our GATE DA complete course. So this is what Vijay is talking about. So definitely I will share it with Sajan also, Vijay.
I also
So
have some revision notes. If you can upload that in goclasses, in that if it
yes, yes,
helps someone, it would be nice.
that would be incredible.
Yeah,
So please share them with me, and we will
sure, sure.
upload them. Like when you share, immediately on the same day we will upload. Any tips, suggestions, anything that can help future aspirants. This interview has been very wonderful, and I'm very sure that students will be watching this session and they will be feeling motivated. But anything that can help them, any tips, suggestions, anything.
Take goclasses subscription. I think compare it. No, I don't mean it as a joke. I truly mean it because, like I said, for machine learning and linear algebra, I think there is not only machine learning and linear algebra. I think for all the maths courses also, I think there is seriously no other alternative. Like because I even tried few things before Goclass and nothing really worked out, I felt. So yeah, that and I don't know, I think maybe right after writing exams, go through your errors, and even if it's a silly mistake, like check why the silly mistake is happening at that time, and yeah, just analyze your mistakes. That's all.